Guys, one of one, 2016 Ford Explorer all-wheel drive Saleen. One of one, guys. They didn't make very much of them, so there it is. He's got the paperwork to prove it and everything. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. He says he's got the paperwork. It's pushing over 500 horsepower. He's got it built and brought it to us all the way from Michigan. So we appreciate him coming down. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got the converter there and there, the flex pipes. Then he had a shop put a aftermarket high flow cat, dual in, dual out, X pipe. Then piping continues out the back on each side, as you can see. Then he had some flow FXs on it, but he wasn't getting the turbo spool he wanted, the sound. So he told us, just take the mufflers off. We're like, okay, we got you. So that's what we did. We took them off on each side, there and there. And because it's from Michigan, it's got a lot of snow, dirt, and stuff. They just drove it down. So there's the quad tips. That's why it's a little dirty. You guys can see. Saleen Explorer XP8. Look it up, guys. Just letting you know what he told me. He's got bigger turbos on it, all this other stuff on it to make it be mean. It's pushing over 5 at the crank. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. The first on the channel, Ford Explorer Saleen. Ford Explorer Saleen, the first on the channel, guys. All-wheel drive. All the way from beautiful Michigan. Give me gas. Again. I don't like it. Again. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 90, no. All right, guys, round 2 on this beautiful Explorer Saleen. So I didn't hear the turbo whistle. You guys gonna hear me in the videos. I'm like, I didn't like it. So we did some more work. Cat there, flex pipe. Still got the third cat there. But as you guys can see right there, we took the X pipe out because this cat plays as an X pipe too, the way it's designed. So we're like, it doesn't need a double X pipe. It just took all the turbo whistle away. There it is. It's fully straight pipe now, no X pipe. Everything else stayed the same on the back. So it's fully straight pipe other than the cats. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it now. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the turbo whistle now. Round 2.
Round 2.
Saleen Explorer with fully straight pipe now. Go ahead. Sounds different right away. That's idle. Idle's at 73. Give it gas. There's that whistle finally. What do you think? Give it gas. There's that whistle finally. That X-Pipe took it all out. Again. So guys, tell me round 1 or round 2? Round 1 with the X pipe, round 2 without it. I like this one. Now you can hear a whistle. Again. Your sound, that's when it's still under 100, so it's perfect. Give it gas. That's what he was looking for. Was that whistle? Do we get a thumbs up from the wife? Hey! Even a hug and a kiss. Damn, son. All that exhaust addicts, guys.
100%.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. All right, go ahead and back it up. And missing the whistle. Like, did you see it right when he started? I'm like, I don't like it. I could have.
You know what? I don't think in any of your videos I've ever heard you say that.
Yeah. The whistle.
That's the turbo.
And that's what the biggest thing about this car is, the turbo. And if you don't hear them, what's the next thing is? Do they have blow-off valves on them? How big? You need to put bigger ones on that make the sound.
Yeah, they're open.
All right, give it gas. let you guys hear on the inside. Look at that. Got that scoop hood. It needs all that air induction going in. Cool looking car, guys. Ford Explorer, Saleen. One of one. He's got a lot of work done to it. He says he can't find any company out there that does high flow downpipes. So, just letting you know. It's pushing about 500 to the crank. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna give you a drive off. There you go. Ford Explorer Saleen edition. Racecraft suspension. They're ready. We fixed the O2 sensor problem for them too, and fully straight piped it. It's ready to rip the Michigan streets. Let's see this thing fly. All-wheel drive too. Woo-hoo, what a beast. What a beast. Back to Michigan they go. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Our fans, we love them. We appreciate them more than they know. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. And you can visit us on all our platforms at Exhaust Addicts. Here we go, pull number 2. He came back and said, it's perfect. So I'm glad he's happy, because I'm happy. Bye! And you can tell the wife is happy. That means everybody's gonna be happy. I'd be real happy if it's warmer. Nice.